So to do the job, I had to do and remove a bunch of stuff: front grille, hoses, radiator, fan shroud, serpentine belt, throttle body, pulleys, tensioners, fan, bracket, power steering pump, water transfer pipe, valve covers. Well, this is something I did, so I remember how to put it back together. Anyway, so all this is it's a mess as hell over here, but so all this I had to take apart. A lot of times I didn't have any parts. I wish I had somebody I could call to get them for me. I had to make a bunch of trips to the store, but there's a bad tensioner on this side right here, so I got that replaced, and now I have to put it all together. Fun times. So had to set my timing. I go ahead and I replace the timing chains and all the tensioners, so I have to go back to this. So fun stuff. You know, I do not recommend for anyone to do this home. I had to do all kinds of research. I got a computer here. I downloaded the shop manuals, so otherwise I would be probably calling a tow truck. So anyways, just thought I'd share.